Montreal Peep Show. It's Mark here in the Rock 94 studios. It's Friday right now, but what an awesome weekend we got planned for you. We have got blues tunes that rock throughout the weekend in honor of the Blues Fest. We're inviting you down to the Blues Fest this weekend because you can win yourself a trip or two anywhere WestJet flies by getting your Blues Fest Rock 94 WestJet boarding pass with a code on it. Listen for us to call out your code, 7 o'clock starting Monday morning. 9 minutes and 43 seconds is what you'll have to call us, and then you're off for a trip or two anywhere WestJet flies. We've got two of those to give away. Now, of course, tomorrow is also Stanley Cup Day in Thunder Bay, so if you're going down to the Gardens, we'll be there live after 10 o'clock, but you probably want to get there before 11 just to make sure that you're not disappointed, because you're going to have to cut off the line at some point. No autographs, just bring your picture, hand your camera to the staff member from the city of Thunder Bay. They'll snap your picture with you and Patrick in the cup, and then off you go, and we'll get as many people through as we can that way. And the other thing that's happening, too, is starting Monday, okay, we are giving away tickets to the sold-out Heart Show in Thunder Bay. They're here like a week from Tuesday, been sold out for a couple of weeks, and the only way to win, and you're doing it right now, is by watching this Peep Show for this week, all this week, right up until Thursday. We're going to give you a hint, and the hint is the song that you're listening for on the radio. So here's the deal, and only you know this because you're watching this. Heart Barracuda, the song Barracuda by Heart. When we play that on Monday at some point during the day after 6 o'clock in the morning, I'm not going to tell you exactly when, but when you hear that song, if you're the ninth caller through, you got yourself tickets to the sold-out show. So there you go. Enjoy the Blues Fest. Way to go, Patrick Sharp, and thank you, Trevor Lekowski, for coming in on Friday to drop off a jersey for me. And in case you're wondering what Lekowski looks like when you spell it in Russian, which is where he played last year, that's Lekowski, right? So that spells Lekowski. All right? Heart Barracuda, Monday. Listen to win tickets. Have a great weekend.